Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we're going to show you on how to copy a game on Roblox. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you have to open your Roblox application or go to your website and then make sure you have a fully set it up and accessible account. Now, once we obviously come over here, let's say I want to go to some random game. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top and then search for uncopy locked. And once you have uncopy lock, it's going to give you a lot of things in the search games. So obviously there's all this uncopy lock games. So what uncopy lock is a lot of people. So go ahead and then lock their games. Okay, if you can't really copy their games because they're copy lock, so the reason I wrote uncopy lock is that these people, all these games you see here are uncopy. So like these people, you have added a copy lock into their actual games and makes it pretty easy for us to copy the game for ourselves. And once you write uncopy lock, what you're going to do is from here just play the game, copy it for yourself, however you want. And as you can see, this version is in copy lock, so it means that you can play this game or you can copy this game. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.